In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy and paste text styles in Figma. Start by opening your Figma file. Locate the text layer that already has the styling you want to reuse. Click on that text layer to select it. With the text selected, press Ctrl plus Alt plus C on Windows or Command plus Option plus C on Mac. This copies the text style properties without copying the actual text content. Next, select the text layer that you want to apply the style to. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus V on Windows or Command plus Option plus V on Mac. Figma will instantly apply the copied text style to the selected text layer. This copies properties such as font family, font size, font weight, color, line height, letter spacing, and other text formatting settings. You can repeat this process on multiple text layers to keep your design consistent and save time. If the style doesn't apply correctly, make sure you're selecting a text layer and not a frame, group, or other design element. And that's it! You've successfully copied and pasted text styles in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.